Holidays are a special time for the children of all ages.
Hey guys, I'm at Disneyland again. This time it's special. We have a whole group of people from the church. All the kids, all the youth. There's so many people. I can't even introduce them because there's so many people. So just say hi. Hi. First time I've ever been here this early. Like this is super early. We're like at barely 8. So we're gonna go on Space Mountain. This is actually his first time, Chris's first time in Disneyland. So we're gonna see what you think about it here or there throughout the day. Look at all this magic and all of this frolicking. We're in space. We're in space, dude. This is what I was talking about. This thing. This is where we get in the ride. What? Yeah, this is the ride. My eyes! My eyes!
Dude, that was crazy!
You got tears? See the picture. What happened to you? You were hiding? Where's me? Fun.
I totally see.
Jar Jar Binks the devil. I know the devil himself. Doors open. Okay. Your shirts glow. This feels like. This feels like the airport.
Oh, they made them wider.
Did they?
They just get slimmer.
I think you're getting slimmer, dude. I think you're getting slimmer.
I'll go with that.
Yeah.
Believe that young man there's going to be buying lunch for everybody.
Oh, yeah. Alright, so on this ride, I'm curious to see who's going to be the spy. It has to be someone in our group, because there's so many of us.
Because it's only us. Because it's only us.
Yeah.
I am not programmed to find these things. Now just turn us around this instant before we get into trouble.
Stop right there.
He's a crybaby.
I know you are a spy on them. They're a spy and a traitor to the country.
Oh, it's Daphne! It's Daphne! I knew it! Throwing up. How'd you like it?
I was disappointed this time.
Really? I like this because it's different.
It was cool.
Yeah.
I expected more.
You thought maybe it'd actually move more? Yeah, no, this one doesn't. You're the spy. You didn't tell us. We're in Autotopia. You ready to drift it? Mm-hmm. You drive. Bye. See ya. See ya.
She looked happy.
Yeah. Bye. She's driving. Bye. Bye. Yeah. She touched my hand. I don't know. Oh, oh. Pass him up. Pass him up. It's a fire extinguisher. Oh, really? Okay. Oh! Oh! Oh my gosh! Car accident! Well, you gotta pay for that! No! No! front. You guys ready?
Yes! Yes! I'm right behind you.
No, what? Hang on. Oh yeah, in the front. Good luck.
Kicking in again. I never think it through.
Oh no! Oh! Oh, it wasn't that bad. How'd it go? I heard people scream. I heard girls scream. That was you? I heard it.
Scared me.
The monster when it comes out twice. He's like, yeah. What? No, we're going. We're going.
Adam, help us. Merry Christmas.
There's too many hands. I can't.
I'm getting dizzy. I need to get dizzy.
Hey, girls. Ah!
Go, Adam. Keep going, Adam.
Oh, it's over. Oh, let's go.
I can't see anything.
I'm blind. It's broken, guys. You can get out. Oh, hi. Pirates.
Hi. Say hi. It's recording. Hey, Look, been playing sticks. You know who this is? The person who's recording you is the loser in sticks. Don't be stupid. Right. I really am. Sorry. Mom, be cheese. Mommy, Mom, say cheese, anyone?
What?
I appreciate your friendship so much.
Me too. Me too.
It's really cool. You'll enjoy this.
Geeked out right now.
Two hours later.
Oh, Penny, try to get on the top one. Oh, you got it.
no.
You got it on the top. Caleb made it to the top. All right, she got one. The bottom right here, this one.
We said the top one.
Lob. He got. Where did it go? Oh, second. Okay.
Raise your hand. Never mind. Raise your hands up and say woo. Okay. Did you record that? What? Are you recording? I tripped over her leg and pushed you. You tripped over her leg and now let push me. Play it. Play it. I'm scared. I'm beautiful.
Scared.
I'm scared. I'm not.
I'm scared.
To see what's inside. Christmas! Have you been good this year?
Tall. What we get? Candy cane snake. Candy cane snake.
10.
plan if we're not leaving. I mean, we're leaving now because we're not eating here. So.
Yeah.
Alright, thank you guys for watching. Please consider subscribing if you want to see more adventure videos I have and just see what I'm making here. So thank you guys for watching. Thank you so much. And see you guys next time. So see you later. Bye.